First thing I see when I come home is my baby birdies. Hi, baby. Hi, Ziva. Hi, baby Ziva. Ziva, Ziva, so pretty. Pretty Ziva, Ziva, pretty Ziva, pretty Ziva, pretty Ziva, pretty Ziva. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pretty Ziva. Yes, yes, yes. Eat a little snack. You know, who's that? Who's this? I buy you shoes to chew on. And you don't want to chew on my shoes? You don't want to chew on my shoe I got you? What about that one? Yeah. Step down. See? Oh, good bird. Yeah, look what I got you. A shoe. Your very own shoe. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty birdies. Hi, Emerald, be nice. Be nice to the big birdies. We're both conures, but this is a very big little baby. Baby conure. It's a big conure. Baby conure. Big conure. Uh-oh, look who jumped on me. Hi, baby. All right, you can get some. You want some? Poopsie. Nope, he wants to just copycat the big one. He wants to copycat the big mama. Oh, I love you. Let's see what's going on over here. Hi, Blue. Hi, Sprite. You guys need to take a bath. I set up bath water. For you. Excuse me. Excuse me? Hi. Are you yelling? Hi, baby. No chewing on my joker. No, not today. I don't want you breaking my joker. Who's over there? Is that Cricket? Cricket? Where is... Okay, I'm looking for Cricket, and there's Skittles, and then there is... Oh, and my new bird. He's still in the cage. He got out earlier, but he must have went back in. I'm a rescue. I rescued this bird. Here is Sky. I rescued Sky, and I rescued Ziva. Ziva. And this is my baby Emerald. I love you. I love you. I love you too. Yes, I do. And she's already been getting on the play set. Ziva did not want to come out of her cage. She didn't want to come off her cage. As you can see, she doesn't know step up off the shoulder. She only knows to the cage. It's very interesting. So, and she doesn't bite hard, so I'm teaching her step up. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. That was way off her course. I've been training with her, and when I do that, I normally have a seed in my hand. Emerald, did you just bite my necklace? Don't bite my necklace. Come here. I don't want you chewing that necklace again. Yeah, no chewing the necklace. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Ziva. Ziva is so pretty. Yes, she is. Yes. I love you. Yes. Oh, are you ready to go see? Come on, guys. Not you. Emerald, come on. Come on, Emerald. Come on, Emerald. There he is. Emerald, come on. I gotta turn the light on so you can come in here. Emerald. Okay, do you hear that? Okay. And there she is. I think it's a he. I don't know if this is good for her, but he got out of her cage. And now he was in quarantine. It's good for him to get out. And it's a baby lovebird. Baby lovebird, baby. Oh, baby, come here. It's okay. I don't want to spook her. So I'm just going to let her be. She's pooped a lot up there. Uh-oh. Let me see. I'm going to have to clean that. Come on down from there. Come on. Let me see if I can see her. There he is. Pee-pee. Come here. Hi, Sire. Baby Sire. Okay.